Hi, welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the button. So today we're going to be installing these Vivid Racing taillights in the Mazda Miata. They're actually the same style as the ones that are on it right now. They're just obviously not broken or faded. So to start off, we open the trunk, remove these wire clips. Obviously, if you have trunk carpet, you need to pull that back. We don't have trunk carpet in this car, although that's a future goal. There's a clip on here, and then this just pulls back out. There are 10mm nuts all the way around the taillight, so there's 4 of them that come off. So get those removed. Unbolted and pulled them out, and this is what you're left with. There's some old foam here from the old lights. He's going to use some all-purpose cleaner just to wipe out these areas where the light's made against. And then I will show you here how we transplant the bulbs from one into the other. So these are the new headlight housings. And they reuse the same bulb mechanisms as the factory housings. So those can be transplanted if you have factory Miata, or if you have aftermarket taillights like this, you likely have this piece unless you have LED lights. So we take these 2 caps off. They're just here to protect the thread on the 10mm screws. We'll just kind of rock that back and forth and pull it off. You'll see that there's a new gasket here on the new lights, and then these need to be removed. So this is a 1/4 turn and it pops out, and this has tabs that you squeeze and that lifts up. Ours is a little wet, so we'll wipe that off. Just use our rag here to wipe off the edges, and then it's going to go in the same way that it came out. So it kind of, this black piece sits inside the white or gray, and then those just kind of snap into place, and then this bulb goes in here, and again it's a 1/4 turn and it locks into place. So then for the reinstallation, we're going to stick it in the hole and we're going to tighten it in. So take this and we'll put it in here to get it started, just like that. And we'll make sure that our rubber molding is where we want it to be on the light itself. And then, now that we've got our bolts started, we can just kind of get the nuts started on each one of them. There's 4 of them here. And then we can tighten everything down. We just want to kind of tighten these evenly to make sure that we're not going to break the light or twist it or bunch up any of the gaskets or anything like that. So it seals nice. You just kind of move from nut to nut. Plug the harness back in like that. This goes on the 10mm bolts. At least it's supposed to, but these plastic retainers kind of suck. So we'll just call it. So that's what it looks like installed. And as you can see, you know, looks pretty good for an aftermarket taillight. So there we are, nice and clear, they match, everything looks good. So we'll get these tested out, and that's it. We installed these in a couple minutes.